What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we got the update of the 2019 4th of July fireworks stash. So as you can see, I bought these mini canister shells. So it's basically like a mortar, and I also bought these sodomizer repeaters of 25 shots each. I got 4 of them. So yeah, honestly, I've never seen these ones in any video. And I also have never bought this before, the TNT brand, so I'll see how good they are. I mean, I have bought mercancy of TNT, but never ever these ones, because they look crappy, honestly. But so also the canister shells, they're by TNT. Honestly, I just bought them because I was curious, cause they're like a baby version of the Excalibur. As you can see, they're similar. They have the same colors, and they have also the plastic top. This tape right here, I put it cause the plastic came off, so I just put the tape on there so it's stick together. But yeah, they're like 2 inches big. They're not that big, but they're heavy. So that means they're good. Also, another thing that made me think they're good is because the mortar. Usually, when it's a mini canister shell, it's made out of board, but this time it's made out of fiberglass. So that's curious. I've never seen a mini mortar of fiberglass, so this is my first time. So usually when the mortar is made out of either plastic or fiberglass, it's mean because the explosion usually is like good, like it has a lot of powder in the shell. So yeah, I'm gonna go out and try at least 2 of these little guys and one of the Saddam missiles, and let's see what it does. Well, guys, that was it. What you just saw was 2 canister shells the mini ones. It was one white and the yellow, one strip of wolf pack. I think these are the maximum load. Yeah, maximum power ones. It was the 200 strip. Uh, Yeah, and one Saturn missile. I'm gonna be making a video talking about what I think about them. So yeah, just stick to the channel so you can see that next video. That's is gonna be probably. I'll put it. I don't know if I'll do it on the 3rd or 4th of July. Maybe we'll do it on the 3rd. I don't know. But yeah, guys, just like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you on the next video.